Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make Lego Super Mario to sleep. You're standing on a brick block. And now I'm gonna tell you how. It's a silly way, but it's just a way. So, there's a set of Lego Mario, it's the Piranha Plant set. I'm gonna put this here, it's gonna go down and then knock the domino. And then the domino is gonna go, and then knock this brick block, and then Mario's gonna go down, and then Mario's gonna say, I'm tired, and then he's gonna sleep. So, let's try it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, we did it. Let's see if he's gonna sleep. Let's wait and be quiet. Let's see if he's gonna sleep. Oh, he said I'm tired. He's tired. We did it! He sleeps. So that's one way how to make Mario to sleep.